unanimously recognized. Resolution number 446, 452, and things like that. 446 and 452. Just remember that. A little bit of homework for you. Tell them number 3, point number 3, remember, women and children. Number 2, settlements. Number 3, settlements are illegal now, even according to the Israeli law. You heard me. Even according to the Israeli Supreme Court. Not too long ago, only 2 years ago, their parliament passed a law that now they can take the entire West Bank, which is what they're working on. 8-1. 8-1, Supreme Court of Israel voted that any settlements in the West Bank are illegal. June of 2021. Yes, even according to the Israeli Supreme Court.